Hello Year 6, welcome to your literacy video for Friday. Okay, so your next text might be all about the Chinese New Year. Okay, so if this is your text, it says, Chinese New Year is an important festival in the Chinese calendar. It is a time when family and friends get together to welcome in the new year. In this text, you'll find out all about Chinese New Year and about the Chinese calendar, which is different from the Western calendar. So the Western calendar is the calendar that we use, okay? So you have got a little bit of information there at the top about Chinese New Year, a little bit of history about it, about what it is, and then in the box underneath, you've got each different animal, okay, and what they represent. So let's have a look at the questions. So number 1 says, if the first day of Chinese New Year falls on the 8th of February, what is the date of the last day of the festival? Now, I'm not sure, so I'm going to have to use the text. So let's have a look at this first paragraph. So it says, Chinese New Year is the biggest and most important celebration for Chinese people. The festival lasts for 15 days. The date of Chinese New Year changes every year, but the first day of the festival is always between the 21st of January and the 20th of February. Now, it's not saying that it always ends on the 20th of February, so that can't be our answer. But it does say the festival lasts for 15 days. Now, if our question is saying it starts on the 8th of February, then we just need to count on 15 days from then, and that will be your answer. Number 2, which animal sign is good at being in charge according to the text? Now, I'll give you a bit of a clue for this one. It's something to do with being a leader. Okay, because if you are a leader, then you are in charge. So you have a look, good look through those animals at the bottom and see if you can find which one says good at being a leader. Number 3 then, what does compassionate in line 29 mean? Use a dictionary to help you. Okay, so let's find it. So line 21, it says, rabbits are gentle and compassionate and prefer peace to conflict. Okay, they often tend to be insecure and cautious. So why do you think this is seen as a positive quality? So being compassionate maybe means something to do with giving sympathy, feeling sorry for people maybe, showing pity on people. So why do you think that's seen as a good thing? Okay, so you can use a dictionary to help you with that one. Number 4 then is a 2-mark question again. This one says, which animal sign do you think is the most desirable for Chinese people and why? Okay, so desirable then means you wish for it. So which animal do you think most Chinese people would want to be and why? Okay, so you've got to pick an animal, but then you've got to make sure you give us some reasons why to make sure you get both of those marks. Number 5, which animal sign does the text suggest is the most artistic? So have a look through, maybe look for the word creative, artistic, see if you can find it, see if you can find a word similar that shows that means that animal is artistic. Which year comes after the year of the pig? Right, let's find pig. So pig is the last one. And we've got 1971 on that list. So you have a look and see if you can find 1972. And that'll be the year after the pig. The last one then, do the characteristics of the animal for your year you were born in reflect your personality? So have a think what year you were born in. Find that year. Have a look what animal it is. Read the description and then think, does that sound like me? Okay, you can say no if you want to. You can say yes. It's up to you as long as you explain why. So, for example, I was born in 1993. So let's find it. So 1993 is the year of the rooster. So it says, roosters are motivated, organised and independent. They're straightforward but often outspoken and a little vain. Okay, so I think I am quite organised. So I would say yes, because I am quite organised and independent, but I don't think I am vain. So it's not all about me. Doesn't completely link to me. Okay, so you just need to find the year you were born, have a read and think, does that explain me? Does that describe me? Okay, your text then might look like this, might be an orange one, and it's called What is the Order? So it says, look at the pictures, put the words in the correct order. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so let's have a look. So we've got a carrot and we've got chop, peel, dig. So have a think, which one would you have to do first? So can you chop it before you've dug it up? No, you're going to have to dig it up out of the ground first, aren't you? So that one would have to be first. Then you peel it and then you chop it. Okay, so the order for that one would be 3, 2, 1. Yeah? So think, which one have you got to do first and put that as number 1? Which one would you do second and which one would you do last and put the numbers in the correct order? Okay. Your text then might look like this one, might be a blue one, and it might be called The Enchanted Wood. Okay, so you've got an extract from a story all about the Enchanted Wood, and then you've got some questions to answer at the bottom. So the number 1 says, what does enchanted mean? Circle your answer. Now you've got some options. Have a read of each one and think, what do you think the word enchanted means? Does it mean the same as exciting? Does it mean the same as forbidden? Or does it mean one of the other ones? What did the children find strange about the wood? Okay, so you're going to have a really, really good read. So have a look about the middle part here. It's where it says, that must be the wood I've heard about this afternoon. Read the next bit and that'll tell you what they think's a little bit strange about the wood. And then number 3, you've got to use a bit of thinking for this one. Would you like to visit the Enchanted Wood and why? Now that can be a yes or a no. It's completely up to you. There's no right or wrong answer, but then you've just got to explain why. Okay, so as long as you give a reason why you would want to visit the forest or why you wouldn't want to visit the forest. Okay, if you've got any questions at all about your reading today, please email us on year_6@sandonprimary.org.uk and don't forget to send us some pictures as well. And then I will see you all on Monday.